Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also add more watch faces to the list by scrolling all the way to the right, tapping on more, and here you can find watch faces. As you can see, find the one you like, tap on it to select it and apply it. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application. If your watch is paired with a phone, so we can bring out the phone, zoom out the camera, unlock the phone, open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you can tap on devices and then select your Huawei Watch GT 4, and here you have the watch faces category. If you're missing this category, it could be because when you install the Huawei Health application for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. You can try to reinstall the application and select a different region. Hopefully that will fix your problem. Now, once you see the watch faces, tap on more and then tap on mine. And here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch. And we can tap on one we like and then tap on set as default to apply it on our watch. Like this. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.